Hello, it's both an honour and a privilege to nominate a group of individuals whose hands have built far more than structures and designs. They've built bonds, spirit and a stronger community.
I'm talking about our incredible Houston Menshed volunteers, the team who have quietly, faithfully and tirelessly lent their time, their tools and their talent to projects that have contributed to our village life in the most meaningful of ways.
I got involved in it right from the beginning, and in fact we go back to 2019. COVID intervened and we didn't really get going until 2021. We had around 17 members, and in the last 3.5 years that's grown now, and we now have over 40 members.
We only meet twice a week, but it's really good, and we've developed so much.
We've done a fair amount of things, new sign for the church. We've done a lot of work with Houston Primary School.
I spotted a good idea of little people made out from wood. So the Menshed took my idea from the photograph and created these 4 lovely characters. The children from the school have designed them. We've also had lots of lovely storage sheds built from the Menshed. Part of the gardening club, Mrs Morrison rescued this coal frame and it was in a state of disrepair, and the wonderful Menshed volunteers have refurbished it and installed it with concrete posts, which is amazing. The children come every Thursday for gardening club and thoroughly enjoy it. It's an intergenerational club and lots of benefits from both sides, a bit like the Menshed. They are an amazing team of men who give up their free time. They help us in so many ways, as you'll have heard already. But they are so willing, they are so helpful, they are so kind. We benefit from them, but they also benefit from it too.
So we came across the Menshed a few years ago, just when we were starting to put together a charity that was building a play park in the village. Within minutes, they were the most welcoming group. The camaraderie between the gents was really obvious straight away. They've been very busy for us, and again they've done it with nothing but total enthusiasm and a kind of real understanding of what the project's about for us as well. So yeah, hugely impressed.
A good bunch of guys. I can't say I'm wrong about anybody. I've only got one arm, so I help. If I need someone to help somebody to help me, there's always somebody willing to help me.
I was approached by the Walkinshaw Daycare Centre in Johnstone, which my wife attends every Friday, and was asked if we could make a Anderson shelter for VE Day. So I set about planning it, ordered the materials and started building it in my own garage at home because we didn't have the facilities here. VE Day came round and it was an absolute roaring success.
I'd like to thank the Menshed, Houston Menshed, for their time and support. They helped us with the construction of the Anderson shelter here. They absolutely love it, and it's really good when somebody's got a dementia and they're agitated, unsettled. They can come out and it's reminiscence as well. It helps us in loads of ways that you'll never really get to see.
We got in touch with the guys from the Menshed probably about 9 months ago and thought it would be a good idea to collaborate with them and bring the men to our hub here at St Vincent's to provide men in our local community here the option to get together, connect with others, to ease loneliness and also to maybe start using their hands to build. I think the Houston Menshed should win in particular because they have been really friendly, very open to us collaborating together and extremely helpful, and they just welcome you into their local community.
We're quite a self-sufficient Menshed. I don't think we've had a lot of help. We've had a little bit of funding, so we've done everything off our own backs. We're really doing a lot that this community's never had before, I don't think. So that's why I think we should win it. And we're all nice guys too.
So with gratitude and pride, I wholeheartedly nominate Houston Menshed for this well-deserved recognition. They may not seek the spotlight, but they absolutely deserve it. Thank you.
In my opinion, I think we should win it because we're the best.